Howdy, partner. So you want to learn how to install a Dodge Caravan door trim? Well, you're in luck. I'm going to show you today. Today, we're going to show you how to install a new piece of trim on the pillar of the passenger side door, although the driver's side door is probably pretty similar. We were driving down the highway the other day, and the wind started blowing this old pillar off this 2015 Dodge Caravan, and then it just snapped and we lost it. So went on eBay and went ahead and found a replacement. It was about 10 bucks, and today we're going to install this. This replacement was a whole bunch of them on eBay, so I'm guessing this is a pretty common problem. So hopefully this is a helpful video for you. If you like it, please hit that like button and also subscribe. I really appreciate the subscribers. If you have any questions about the install, put them in the comment box. So come on over. Okay, first things first. So right here at the bottom is a locking piece. And what we have to do is we have to get that off. There's a screw on the inside of the door right here, and that screw locks in that piece of plastic. So this is going to block the new one from coming on. So what we're going to do is, it's got a weird star type bit. If you don't have a star screw, you could probably get by with a Phillips head or something, but just shove that into the screw as best you can. Hopefully you have the right bit, and then hold this, and you should be able to unscrew. This is garbage, but you don't want to lose that screw. So go ahead and make sure you keep that screw for future reference, and that's going to be your little tiny screw, so we don't want to lose that. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we may need to make sure that this is nice and clean. So we've already cleaned this off, but you're going to do some double stick tape, so make sure this is nice and clean and dry. And then you're going to take your new pillar here. Now this pillar has foam gaskets around each one of these little tabs, and then the screw lock-in piece here. So what's going to happen is we're pushing really hard and then push down, and that's going to push that into there and then lock it in. Push that into there and then lock it in, and then we're going to put the screw in. So let's go ahead and try that, and I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, so we're about to try. I'm going to go ahead and test fit it, and then we'll remove this tape. But let me see how it's going to go. Okay, it won't be too bad. So one thing you could do is you could remove part of this tape and then pull the rest of it off later, but I actually feel like this is going to go pretty smoothly. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all the tape. This may or may not be a good idea. That's what we're going to do. So we're going to go, the tape is there. I'm sorry, I'm removing the cover so the tape becomes sticky. So rip off all that. All right, pick up all this trash later. And then we're going to line this up so these two tabs are right over it. And I can see it a little better from in here. Again, that you don't want that stickiness to keep you from pushing down. But it did not. And then we're going to push that hole into the hole at the bottom. And we are in. And we're going to push really hard on there. We've got both those tabs in there nicely. Again, you could have pulled off a little bit of tape and then done the rest later, but I was feeling pretty lucky. Now we're going to find that screw that I told you not to lose. We're going to take that screw, if you want to come around, and we're going to install it right here. And we just want to make sure it gets right into that hole that was there, which it is. And this is what's going to lock it in. So that screw is really biting in there. Nice and tight. If you look at the side here, we are totally flush. And then also up here, we're very flush. Looks great. Let's close it out. Very good, like new. All right. Hope you enjoyed this video. That was pretty much one cut, so not too hard. And remember, with all these projects, if I can do it, you can too. Thanks for watching.